Hi everybody, I thought I would show you how to make these really cute sunflower earrings. Really easy to make. I've gone ahead and done one so that this isn't a very long tutorial. I've actually used some green 4x6 glass rondelle beads. I've used a 6x8 rondelle bead in the middle. I wish I had a darker brown, to be honest, but that's the best I can do. These are just a cheap Chinese import, and what these mean is they're not collaborated. That's the word, collaborated. So they will be different sizes. As you know, I do tutorials for complete jewellery beginners. If you are new here, it is lovely to have you here. My name is Claire. I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery making supplies. I currently have a 10% offer off of a £10 spend, and there's also a clearance section. Lots of new stock has been added. I have beads, I have cabochons, I have charms, findings. So go and check them out. If that interests you, please do go and check them out. The yellow beads they're about 3 to 4 millimeters. So I've got some 0.3 clear thread today. I'm just cutting about 12 inches. What you do, you thread 3. Let me just put my glasses on because otherwise I will not be able to see the holes. So I'll thread these on. How are you all? I hope you're having a lovely day. Oh, it's so hot again. I'm always moaning, aren't I, saying how hot it is. I'm hoping it's going to cool down very soon. So there we've got the 3 rondelle beads. Put the ends together like that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pop 2. It could be either side. Then I'm going to get the thread and just go back through those 2 beads. There's one, make sure they've gone through. There we are. Just pull them together. So that's the start of our flower. Now we need to put 2 more beads on each side. One. 2. So you will have something like that. The 2 here, 2 we've just put on. Then we put them both together. We take our 6x8 glass rondelle. We thread both strands through. Pull it down. So you end up with this. Then we're going to just take this and push it in between the hole. Push it and then it opens up the beads. Now on this side, this strand, which has come out the bottom, I'm just going to go in up through those 2 beads. And I'm going to do exactly the same with this side, up through. So you'll now have something like that. So there's our thread going through the top. See? Then we add 2 more beads. Either side. Then I'm going to take this strand and go back, whichever side hasn't got the 2 beads we've put on. You take that strand and then go back through those 2 and pull. I'll just adjust everything. That's what it's like, and then we're now at the top just going to tie. So I'm going to do 3. Don't pull it ultra tight. Obviously you don't want it loose because we need to get that jump ring through. I've got a 6mm, quite strong 1mm thickness jump ring, and the earring wires are cross, not parallel. That way, let me just cut the top off for you. Right, snip the top. So we've got our flower. I'm using a cross earring wire, which means basically this is going across. If you've got cross and you have parallel, and that just helps the earring sit nicely. Otherwise, if we used one that was going straight down, we would need 2 jump rings. So we open our jump ring. Jump rings have a split, and you have to do it quite wide to get it through, I found. So whichever is the middle of your flower, let's pick that back up. There's the middle. There's the middle of my flower. Take the earring wire, pop that on, and then close. And there we have our sunflower earring. How easy was that? But just by doing that design, there are so many things you can make. Very similar, I'll link a video up above of something I did, which was like a large pendant, but I also made them into earrings as well, made them smaller into earrings. And just by learning that little technique there on the top of the flower, you can create some amazing designs. So I do hope you found that useful. If you can like this video, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. If you can leave a comment down below, it just helps the YouTube algorithm see the interaction, and then they share my videos out to more people, which just helps my small channel grow. So thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone, and as always, happy crafting.